Collapse here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install a currency converter on your Shopify App Store within minutes. Okay, so first thing you need to do is download the Translate Currency Converter. So what this is a has translation and currency conversion in it, but you can use it just for currency converter if you want. The translation portion is also free, so it's up to you if you want both or one. If you get both, it'll look like this, but for this video, I'm going to show you how we're going to add a currency converter because that's why you're here. I do recommend both though. So go to the Shopify App Store, download the app. When you go on the back end, there's a couple things we're going to need to do to set it up. So if you did the currency converter, it's going to look like this. First thing is you want to make it look and feel like your store. We want to create a great experience for your users. And part of that is you're going to have a menu that's going to be the color of your store, text that's going to be the color of your store, and font that's going to be similar to what your store is. And you can find that when you go into settings, go down to menu, go down to design settings, and this allows you to control that here: the font color, the menu color, the sizes, the menu sizes, and the font. So all of that you can control right here. Very important to have a great experience for your users, for your currency converter. All right. Next is you choose a position as well on it as well. I chose top right. I chose bottom right, top left, bottom left. Or I can even do it custom where I can do it by code and I can just put it right in here as well. So I'll do a different video on that. But what you need to basically do is take this and put this into your code where you want it to say to actually fit in there. So yeah, I could show you in a different video exactly how that is done, but it's not that hard to do. If you ever need help, always reach out to our team. We're more than happy to help you in any way that we can help you. Okay, next up at the currency converter is you're going to choose the different currencies you want. So it already detects location. So when a customer shows up, it'll actually show in their local currency as well. That's kind of the whole point of it, is that we want to create as much a native experience as you want. So that's why with translator, the language shows up. With currency converter, the currency shows up. As well, a bunch of other features as well: country flag, currency codes. You can round it to the whole number, or you can even do a vanity number here, where basically everyone ends in 99. So kind of where, if I turn that on and I save, right now you see how when it's transferred to euros, it's 641. What we want to do is we want to kind of round the pricing to be 699, so that way everyone kind of looks professional. It'll always be a 99. Small things like that. As well as you can have it display hovering over. So because Shopify doesn't allow you to check out in any currency, we also have it that you can have it if the store owner's in Canada, um, such as yourselves, then obviously it's in Canadian. So this will show the original currency, and then it'll show the Japanese currency. This is good for the customer, but at the same time, they still know exactly what the Shopify currency is as well. Okay, so I've showed you how to add a currency converter to your Shopify App Store. Like you've seen there, it only takes a couple minutes to set up. There's one last important thing that you're going to need to do prior to get it to actually work. So in the instructions here, uh, you're gonna have to make one change to your settings. So you'll see that this is here. You're gonna have to go to settings, general, currency, format blog. When you download the app, we do give you a link to a blog post that does this. So my suggestion to you is open it up. If you can't figure it out, just message us. We'll do it for you. Um, so yeah, that way you'll actually have the instructions on the blog post. So what you do is go to settings, go to general, go down to change format. So in here, I've already changed the format on here. And then here it's going to be the same thing. Oops. We're going to do that with the CID, right? So you need to change these as well. If you don't change these, then it will actually not show up properly in your Shopify store. So yeah, so in order to do the currency converter, this is a very important step to making it work. All right, thank you very much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to this video. And if there's anything we can do to help you, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're more than happy to help you out. Go here to download the app. Thank you very much. Have a great day.